Today I bring for fresh chutney for raw tuna fish and the salmon with some few ingredients: jalapeno and coriander chutney. For that I take about 3 to 4 pieces of fresh jalapeno. Take it out the seed, then cut it into small pieces. And same time you need small pot to blend easier. Take it 1 handful fresh coriander, also cutting in small pieces. You can cut it roughly. And you need some lime. Need fresh lime juice for the flavor and taste. For the fish especially, you need a little bit of fresh lemon oil better. Season with salt, 2 cloves of garlic and crushed pepper. This is so good and easy. So before blending, add some olive oil, fresh extra virgin olive oil, and some lemon zest or lime zest. So after that, you just blend it until smooth. Then your sauce is ready. You can mostly use this chutney with raw salmon, raw tuna fish. Raw fish goes really well. Also you can use some seafood, sauce for seafood. This is to be really good. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Hope you like it and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a good day all.